Well, hi guys. I got something going on here tonight. I've finished the 7 back installations on the bodies, and I want to just do a sound test on these things. I always had a lot of discussion from people about, well, certain woods do certain things, and the back and sides is not really responsible for a lot of the sound on a unit, but it is responsible for a portion of it. So I wanted to just demonstrate something here. I haven't really tried this yet, but I want to see the different tones between the different woods. So this one's black cherry. This one's beech. Quite a bit lower. Black cherry. Ooh. That was kind of dull. This one is white ash. Very sharp and a little bit higher. This one's bloodwood. This is my favorite unit for this run. Oh, listen to that one. Low, low, low. Another, this is a variegated black cherry. So it's 2 colors here. That's kind of in the middle. And here's another black cherry. That's got sycamore accent line. That one's very high, so between this one and the bloodwood, I've probably got quite a few hertz of frequency change there. So that's thought I'd demonstrate that, and I'm going to go back now and actually test each one and measure the frequency and record it in its build documents. Have a good evening.